Okay, so let us understand the solution for the current problem. Okay, so accept all of the choices. We have accounts receivable. Okay, first of all, we will define what is accounts receivable. Then we will move forward with the explanation that how this account will require generally debit and credit entries. Okay, throughout the accounting period or through the financial fiscal period. Okay, so accounts receivable, this amount refers to this amount refers to financial asset against which the entity has rendered goods or services to clients. Okay, so we have written the actually traditional definition of accounts receivable. However, we will understand it through the example also. Okay, let's say suppose we have X company, sorry, and we have A company. Okay, now let's say suppose what the X company did, it sold furniture worth of $1,500. Okay, I'm denoting it by making the directional arrows. Okay, now what happens, what the A company says, pay later. Okay, so A company said that okay, XN company, I do not have the funds right now, so I will pay you later after a certain period of time, let's say 30 days. Okay, now what happens, the 1500 will be considered as accounts receivable. However, as alternative name of accounts receivable is debtors. Okay, it's DEBTORS. Okay, so those, what happens, so we can obviously understand that every entity is commenced with the motive to earn the profit, and whenever there will be a motive to earn the profit, it is very very obvious the transactions of selling items to the customers, transactions of purchases, the local or the raw material from the suppliers, these transactions will be very very general in a business context. Okay, it's like a day to day transaction that will obviously have to happen to make a profit to the entity. Okay, so that is why the accounts receivable or debtors will require debit and credit entries throughout the accounting period. Okay, so that is why we have the correct choice for problem 39. Okay, for problem 39 is A. Sorry, why that so? Because accounts receivable, such the transaction of selling or purchasing the goods, okay, to customers and from suppliers will happen in day to day, on day to day basis. Okay, so that is why our correct choice for the problem 39 is A. That's all for the solution. Thank you.